Question number 4. A cell of EMF 1.5 volt and internal resistance of 1 ohm maintains a constant current of 0.5 ampere in an external circuit. So when an electric charge of 2 coulomb flows in the external circuit, calculate the thermal energy dissipated from the cell, energy dissipated from the external circuit, and the total energy supplied by the cell. Okay, so the first question A, so given is the EMF which is equal to 1.5 volt, and internal resistance which is equal to 1 ohm, current is 0.5 ampere, and an electric charge flows in the external circuit which is 2 coulomb. Okay, so firstly we are gonna, in order for us to calculate the thermal energy dissipated from the cell, which is equal to E of this, ini untuk cell, so we are going to use I square RT. Okay, so why am I using the internal resistance? Is because this is for the cell saja. Okay, so now what we do not have is the time, but we do have the amount of charge and the current, so we can use this to find the time. So Q over I, Q over I. So this is gonna be equal to 4 seconds. Okay, so dari sini kita just substitute lah. I is equal to 0.5 square, R is equal to 1, T is equal to 4. So you should get the energy dissipated from the cell to be equal to 1 joule. Okay, then question pula energy dissipated from the external circuit. From the external circuit, sama jugalah, kita akan guna the time to be equal to betul lah. The time will be the same, which is 4 seconds as well. And then we, instead of using for the EMF, we are going to use V equal to EMF plus IR. Why are we using V is because this is for the external circuit. Kita tidak boleh guna EMF sebab this is only for the cell. Okay, untuk cell saja, untuk the battery saja. Okay, so V will be equal to 1 volt. So we then can calculate the energy dissipated for the external circuit to be equal to VIT. VIT lah, okay? So this is going to be equal to 2 joules, right? And then question C pula, the total energy supplied by the cell. So total energy supplied by the cell is basically just the addition of those two lah, those two numbers. Okay, so the total energy supplied by the cell is the energy of the cell plus dengan the external energy. Okay, so that would be equal to 3 joules lah. Okay, so that is the solution for question number 4.